What's up guys, it's me your Geek. So here are the top 5 HTC U11 Eyes Case. The number 5th case is from the Silico, a beautiful looking simple flip case. And number 4 is another rubberized case which protect your phone. Also it is quite grippy in your hand. Number 3 is from Coveron. Look at the beauty of it, a clear matte forest case, you can't go wrong with it. And number two is from the top as a simple rugged bumper style carbon fiber case. And number one is my favorite from the answer. Yeah, definitely yes. So all of the case links are in the description box. So it was me, Jimmy. Bye.